Today we're going to add a custom touch to the hood of this 2018 Mustang GT with a set of Drake Muscle Cars hood inserts. These ABS plastic hood inserts will be direct replacements for the factory pieces found in your 2018 through 2020 GT or EcoBoost. They're very easy to install and add a nice custom touch to your hood. Now, the installation is going to be pretty easy as the Scott Drake parts are going to use the factory hardware. All you have to do is basically unbolt your factory ones and install the new ones. To get to them, two of the bolts are visible, two of them are going to be hidden. You have to start by pulling off these plastic pieces and pull down our hood lining. Now, it's up to you if you want to remove all of them to get the hood blanket off, but once you get the corners off here, you can pull this down, and you can see here's our hardware we have to remove right here. Push up on the studs, there's one little clip, which you really can't get to it. Just get a good grip on it. The factory scoop comes up over on this edge here. The Drake Muscle one sits down a little bit, so I want to make sure you kind of clean that off, because you will see that side there. And just line up the holes. And reinstall the original hardware. When we tighten these up, just get them snug. Remember, these are plastic, they won't over tighten. Okay, then repeat the process on the other side. You'll reinstall these clips and your installation is finished. Drake Muscle Car hood vents break up all the red on the hood and add a nice custom touch. As you saw, the installation is pretty straightforward. Give yourself about an hour tops, be back on the road in no time.